After the salesperson recommended the fitting that I would need, I purchased several of them, and I built a small test chamber out of some pipe that I had with one end that screwed on. So I was just curious, in something like this where I'm inside a submarine, uh, I wanted to make sure that the product was in fact what it was advertised to be. So I cut a small section of cable that was only about 3/16 in diameter, and screwed it into their fitting, tightened the fitting, put it in my test chamber, and then I used a scuba tank to apply pressure to this chamber. And I was curious to see if the cable would extrude at what point. And so I was able to get the test chamber down to about 350. Actually, it was 330. I took a picture of it, PSI, and I think their fitting is advertised to not exceed 150 PSI. So it showed me that and I could have gone more, but I didn't have enough pressure. That was as much pressure as I could apply for my scuba tank. So I was real happy to see that the cable didn't extrude at all at twice the pressure that it was advertised at. But I don't recommend using this fitting or any other fitting over what it's advertised for.